Hello again, Ray Soto of Soto Financial and Insurance. Today talking to you about hurricane and windstorm protection. Here on the Gulf Coast, everyone needs to be aware of windstorm damage. Hurricanes are just a couple of days away in most cases. We've had them form overnight in the Gulf out here. When was the last time you sat down and did a portfolio review of your homeowner's coverage? Call today. Let's make sure you're actually covered the way you think you are. Let us put together a personalized proposal for you. Are you in good hands?